Hi, welcome to my channel, or welcome back if you're subscribed. In today's video, we're gonna make this simple and really easy cowl using my Sentro knitting machine. So let's keep on watching. For this video, I'm gonna use this yarn. This is a big twist. This yarn has been discontinued. I think it was the Big Twist Revel. Don't quote me on that, I can't remember exactly, but the best one that I could find, like this one, is the Big Twist Rave, I believe. I will insert a photo in here. Yeah, so I'm gonna use this one, and then I'm gonna use this blue color just to do my first 7 rounds. And then my knitting machine, this is a 40 pin. Okay, so let's get started. Okay, to start, I am gonna start with casting on, and to do that, I'm going to start on this black pin. That's my first pin. So I'm gonna grab my yarn and I'm gonna let it tail, and I'm gonna let that go a little down, and then with my hands I'm gonna move the handle, and then it's one front, back, front, back, front, back, and I do that all the way around until I get to my first pin, which is the black one. Okay, once I get to the first pin, I'm gonna put my yarn around it like so. Okay, once I get to my first pin, which is the black, I'm gonna grab it with this finger, and then I'm gonna place it on that ridge right here, put it on the tension, and I'm gonna keep twisting the way until I have 7 rounds. Okay, once I get to my first pin, I'm gonna take my yarn and put it on the side, wrapping the first pin. And then I'm gonna get my color, the color that I'm gonna be using. And so the end of my waist yarn is gonna be on my left side, and then I'm gonna put the new on the right side. And then I'm gonna put it through the little bridge right there, put it on the tension, and then I'm gonna grab my collar in my waist yarn, and I'm kind of hold them so I can, so my new yarn goes through the teeth. Okay, now I can go ahead and keep going, and I'm gonna do 100 rounds, and then I'll be right back and see if I need to do more. Okay, so I end up doing 150 rounds, and to finish my round, I am gonna cut a long tail, and then I'm just gonna hook it on the side, and then I'm gonna get my waist yarn again and do five rounds with it to finish it off. Okay, and to do that, the end of my yarn is on the left side, and I'm gonna hook this one on the right side, like so. Gonna put it through the bridge on my tension, and with my left hand I'm gonna grab the two. Okay. I'm gonna grab the two pieces like so, just to help it feed through the needle. Okay, and I'm gonna do 5 more rounds. Okay, so once I'm done with that, I'm gonna remove the knitting machine and carefully grab my piece, and I'm gonna grab one side and I'm gonna grab the other side and gently pull to stretch. And what we're doing there is stretching the fabric, and this is what we have. This is what we have so far. Okay, now to close it down, I'm gonna make sure that the two tails is there on the fold side, so. Okay, and what I'm gonna do is I'm kind of gonna push the yarns out like that, and these are the 2 stitches that I'm gonna sew first. So with my crochet hook, I'm gonna insert it on the first pink stitch, and then I'm gonna grab the other one and I'm gonna pass it through, and then go to the next stitch, pass it through, and then on the other side insert my hook and pull it through, and I'm gonna do that all the way until we get to the end. And we keep doing that carefully without skipping a stitch. Okay, once I get to the end, I'm gonna grab the tail of my garment and I'm just gonna wrap around and pull it through, and I'm gonna pull it all the way through and just pull. Okay, so now that we finish that, I'm gonna go to the top of this waist yarn, and I'm just gonna pull and remove that. Okay, and that's our closure, and I'm gonna repeat that same thing on the other side, and remember that the tail has to be on the folded side. Okay, so I'm gonna go ahead and do the second closure and then I'll be right back. Okay, and we're just gonna fold it like so, and since this side has the longer tail, that's what I'm gonna use to sew that scarf together. Okay. So again, this is what we have. Okay, and I'm gonna use my tapestry needle, and then I'm gonna line up this side of the scarf with this side, like so, and I'm gonna start sewing from this side to the corner. And to do that, I'm just gonna go through these little stitches right there, and I'm just gonna join them together. Okay, so I just sew together one of the sides, and now we do the exact same thing with the other side. Okay, and this is what we have. So this is the end of the video. If you like it, please give it a thumbs up, and see you on my next video. Bye.